All right, guys. Another trade recap today. Today was a no news Monday, so we didn't have any news today. But I'll show you guys the details of the account. Obviously, you can see here win percentage is 63.64, and honestly, most of the losses we took are honestly just scalps. So what I've learned is that scalps are not the way to go. To be honest, just from my strategy at least. But you can see here, most profitable day was today. Now we actually took two trades today. I'll run you guys through those. And least profitable was Wednesday. We also took two trades Wednesday. Now, if you guys, where's the chart? You guys can see here, under 15 seconds. Honestly, that's just me gambling. To be honest, I should not do those. And the trades that have netted me the most and won are between 10 and 30 minutes, and that's just it could be longer. That's just when the take profit gets hit. So you guys can see here, 300%, and 4 out of these 5, and all of these have been losses. So scalp, 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 and scalp. Most of these were legitimate trades, and I'll run you guys through those. But you guys can see here, worst trade, best trade. Now the best trade, this actually should have been about 1,100, but this is because we lost some. I'll run you guys through it. So basically, what was I looking for today? First things first, I got on the charts and I saw price was kind of in a bearish momentum, and I wanted to see these lows taken. I want to see these lows taken first, and this was close to market open, and I want to see if that would be a liquidity sweep, and then if it wasn't, I wanted to see. I'll show you guys. I wanted to see. Wow. I want to see this imbalance be filled. So I set this imbalance, I set the take profit like midway through this imbalance, and obviously that was set. Honestly, we might be targeting, if we go to the daily, we might be targeting these daily lows at 18.9. But it does seem like an imbalance will be formed here, so I want to see a retracement into this imbalance and then maybe even lower. And these will, once it gets done here, will negate basically all of the Trump terms gains. But regardless, we go to the hourly. I'll show you guys what I was seeing. So we got on the charts here. Really, the only thing in the hourly was these lows, and again, this imbalance. Not much more than that, though. So we had to scale down to the 15-minute. And what we see on the 15-minute. Well, at market open, I saw this bullish candle, so I want to wait to enter a position. Go to the 5-minute. And on the 5-minute, I saw price enter into this order block, or supply zone, in other words. Hold on, guys. All right. Anyways, I saw price come into this order block, and then I was looking for a sell in here, so let's go down to the 1-minute. And on the 1-minute, I saw price come into this order block, and we made a lower high right here. I entered a sell off this. Obviously, take profits. I put take profits. Obviously, hold up. Our first take profit got hit, but we entered an order after that. Our first take profit was, I think right here, to be honest. But you see, we entered here off this higher low. This was a liquidity sweep, formed a higher low, came back into an order block, and boom. However, we did get stopped out by just a couple, like 1 point maybe. So we set stops above this imbalance right here. And we did get wicked out. Now, had we not, we would have hit a 7-to-1 trade with a 226 point profit. Unfortunately, we did get stopped out. Now, there was also a very good entry when price came back up, filled this obvious imbalance with selling pressure on this candle. So we could have also entered a sell off that. However, I also didn't do that. So I waited for a price on the 5 minute. So we got stopped out of the first trade, took a $300 loss on that. And then the second trade, I was on the 5 minute. I wanted price to come back, fill this 5 minute fair value gap, which we saw. And on the 1 minute, here was the 5 minute fair value gap. On the 1 minute, price entered, and I saw this candle right here. So give me significant. Or sorry, these were both doji candles, and price came down, came up, filled this imbalance, and I entered off. I entered off this. It wasn't giving me very much buying pressure, to be honest with you. I want to see if this fair value gap would hold, and it did. So I entered short off that and set out to take profits where I told you guys in the beginning. Now I profited 119.25 points on that. Now, like I said, the trade itself was about 1,100. However, we needed to mitigate the $380 loss we took. So total profit. We'll see. Where's today? I don't know what does it say. Oh, okay, 778. That's our total profit for the day. So that was the trade today, guys. And let's see if we're going to trade tomorrow. I believe we will. Yeah, we're going to trade tomorrow. Definitely not Wednesday. Friday, probably yes. And Thursday, probably yes. So that's it. Hope you guys got something from this. But yeah, we need 2,300 more to pass the account. So we'll see what happens.